Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Genesis GV60? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Explorer. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel distributes power and protects vital electrical systems, such as the cooling fan, ABS, and AC compressor. It also supports essential electric vehicle components, ensuring safe and efficient circuit operation. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument fuse panel plays a vital role in managing and protecting a wide range of interior electrical circuits, such as those powering the infotainment system, dashboard illumination, climate control, power outlets, and various driver assistance features. By distributing power efficiently and safeguarding these components from electrical overload or short circuits, it ensures the reliable operation of essential cabin systems. This contributes to both driving comfort and the overall safety and functionality of the vehicle's interior electronics.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse. Low-profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.